Let's do this. Good Saturday, YouTubers. Willie here with my channel, and I thought I'd give you a special review on an equipment that I use on a daily basis. Some are budget, some were on sale, and I'll go over why I like using them. Hi, YouTubers. Today we're checking out torque wrenches, and I apologize because it's a little bit short. But to be honest with you, I don't do like much engine work, and my job basis is very like do this, do that, do this. They need me to do this little thing or do a service, things like that. And so my torque wrenches are limited, and I usually use somebody else's torque wrenches. Gets the job done. People are quite friendly where I work, so hey, what we got here is a very limited supply, as you can see. Um, it's just some torque wrenches. We've got my basic, good old trusty hard bottom snap on. And the funny thing is I don't know what their connection is with, I believe it's Precision Instruments or Precision Torque, but they're blue and they look pretty much identical. Now, I've been told that Snap on currently makes their own torque wrenches, and that's just the way it is. But it does bear a striking resemblance to this torque wrench. Anyways, this is before the soft grip. This is a basic model here. It's a TQFR250C. She's still very accurate. I have it tested once a month to make sure, because I just can't afford to have a wheel come off on me or something, you know. So, put that baby there. She's half-inch drive, and she was given to me by my dad. Very useful tool. Right here we have a 3/8 Cobalt. Um, Not very special. It's click type torque wrench, locking collar, 3/8, two directions. You can change the directions on this. The snap on one's not always, but yeah. So there's my Cobalt 3/8, and then my good old trusty Craftsman 3/8. Now, let me tell you why I bought the Cobalt. I keep this one, and it's still quite accurate, but you got to hold the handle just right, because the plastic locking mechanism here broke on it, and it was literally right after the warranty ran out for it. So I ended up stuck with it. I got it right before I went to school, so I've literally had these two torque wrenches right here. I have had them since school. That means I have literally had them for 8 years now. They have not let me down. Now I could go finer with this puppy, and it just gets the job done, and I don't have to worry about the handle being all wonky. They are all very coarse, but they're torque wrenches. What do you want? Um, so there's that. Precision is key. Anyways, if you like this video, please feel free to leave it in the messages down below. If you want to leave an opinion on what torque wrenches you use, what precision tools you use in your daily basis, um, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you really like the episode. Sorry again for it being so short. I will see you next Tuesday when I will be uploading my next string of reactions, I have some MLP, some more the turq, and I want to try starting to react to duck dodgers. So I've got a couple of those for you. Um, Thank you for checking out my channel. Bye.